they say there's the pineal gland inside, a small gland. It's shaped like a pine cone. It's kind of in the middle of the brain. Pineal, pineal, or whatever, pineal, whatever you want to say, pineal. And it's like shaped like a pine cone. Pine cone is kind of like a pyramid sort of thing. Yeah? Pine trees. So the pine cone is like that, and then what's the time? So when one is young, when one is born, it's very, very soft, very, very soft. It's in the middle, kind of in the middle of the head, middle of the brain. And
so before Graham starts, you have to reach one.
Okay, cool. So huh? Yeah. So when you're young, that gland is very soft, and then you're because that gland controls creativity and imagination. Kids are going like, "What are you doing?" "Oh, we're playing." "What are you playing?" And the two kids, you just ask them, "No, we're playing this kind of game." And see, he's this and she's that. "Oh, sure, yeah." You ever been with your own kids, or you were the same way? Every kid was the same way. Imaginative, creative, spirited. But then as we get older, that pineal gland, almost all jivas, almost all human beings, it gets harder and harder. And there's all kinds of websites and all kinds of things all about the pineal gland, how to soften it, different meditations you can use to bring back that creative spirit, or that imaginative quality. Because we were all children, and all children have this kind of ability. Now everyone's just on cell phones. So that's latent, still within us. So when you read this one thing, okay, it said the boys are playing, having fun. What are they playing? Well, I used to play kabaddi, but these are boys and not girls. And so what do boys play? And maybe you saw your brother, you see the boys or whatever. So you think, oh, they're like that. Oh, they must be. They always make teams, and now they're fighting. And who won? They're playing tug of war. One boys are on the other side of the Yamuna, and some are here and they're pulling. Oh, and he fell in. And so you enter. This is called Lila Pravesh by sadhana. You're forcefully using your thoughts and you're thinking your way into the Lila, because you desire to be there, and then gradually as you keep practicing abhyas, then it becomes more natural and more easy, just fall into it.